Hi, so we're going to discuss a full mouth case, and the reason we're going to discuss this case is it's quite a unique case in that when you see it you'll think the teeth are not that bad, so it's not massively transformational, but it just shows you what you can do with a case where someone actually has pretty nice teeth but how we can improve it, because a lot of the cases we show are of extreme transformation. So people have had really bad teeth and really bad dentistry or a combination of both, and then we transform them, and obviously the difference is like massive. This is a case which is not so transformational, but it shows you what is possible. So for people who are thinking, can I improve my teeth, and dentists or people are saying to them, there's nothing wrong with your teeth, but you want an improvement, this is for you. So let's go through this case. So this is the after smile, and as you can see here, she's had a full mouth done. So she's had all 28 teeth veneered. It's a non-prep case, which means that none of the front teeth were touched. The back teeth were not touched unless they already had crowns, which some of them did, in which case we removed them and replaced them. But there's no further destruction of teeth. So if you look at these are the before pictures. So you can see here, I always look at this and think, the teeth are pretty good, but there are some issues. So let's just go through them. So normally with a smile, you have a smile line that you have nice curvature coming through here. Over here you can see that's not the case. We have almost like a reverse smile line. So this is what was bothering her. And the other thing is, if you look at her gums, the gums are not in line. So also that's following the shape of the smile, you see. So there's an issue here with that. She didn't want to go through any sort of orthodontic option which could improve that, and she just wanted a ceramic option because she wanted to improve the colour as well as the length. You can see the length of the teeth are relatively short. The lower teeth are in very good condition. So what we decided is we're going to give her a complete smile transformation, which involved changing all of the back teeth, replacing them and opening the bite up very slightly so we can give her the extra length, because you can't just give her extra length without opening the bite, otherwise your occlusion will not be stable, which means that you'll start fracturing veneers, you'll start having issues with the bite. So this is how the end case was done. We managed to do a little bit of gum surgery onto the top teeth at the back here and over here, and she's had a total of 28 ceramics done. All these anterior ones were totally non-preparation, and then the posterior ones, as you can see here, they're just some new crowns. You can barely see them, but the colour is really nice in this case. If you look here, the transformation from the left to right, it's pretty impressive, and you get great fluorescence in these veneers. So these veneers were done in a special way. They were felspathic and they were very, very, very thin. Super thin, because there's no cutting. As you can see, they're not bulky at all. They're super thin, and they were just done with an enamel shade. Because her underlying tooth was really nice, he just put an enamel shade on it, which gives that beautiful translucency and that fluorescence as well you see coming through. These are the close-ups. If you look here, she had some gaps. All of that was completely fixed on this side. And over here, just some close-ups of the ceramics. You can see the very, very slight texture we put into the veneers and translucency. So if you look here and here, you can see just a little bit of texture. Over here, you can see quite a bit. It's very mild. It's not crazy texture, because she's a lady and you don't want to do too much. And here, this is just to kind of show you how the margins are right on the gum line, but they're invisible. So that's a full smile transformation, and I hope someone who's looking to get a smile transformation when they have nice teeth can relate to this. Color can be changed, so if you want it brighter, you can have it brighter. In this case, she wanted it to be subtle, so people notice that she's had something done, but they don't quite know what, whether it's whitening or something else.